Кушать. Те, що мені тут подобається найбільше, ти ніколи не знаєш, за яким рогом, що ти побачиш.
Thermometer. Yes. Yeah, make sure you got everything in.
I thought it was a knife at first, so I was just like, that's a weird.
And since it's the first time I do macaron here, we're going to try together. Press the power button. Aha, maybe it's just right. Yeah. Power. Hi, I'm going to TV or something. So we want to cook it to a specific temperature that will give us the right texture, which is a gummy bear texture.
Yeah.
Right? Yes. It's going to be like a marshmallow thing, actually. So once it starts to boil up, okay, you can take the temperature, and we're going to go towards the Celsius road. Okay, so we'll be team Celsius here now. Stop the heat when you reach 118. Okay? So you put it in there. Do you want to do the other one, Olga, or do you want me to do it? It's going to be loud now. So more egg whites. Okay?
So I just turn it off when it gets to 118?
118, yes. How much is it now?
107.
Okay. So 100 is the boiling point in Celsius. Yes? Because it's 212. Here's 100. So it's pretty fast to reach 100 here. You can see now, rise and rise as they cook to give us this beautiful fluffy texture. Do you want to do it? Or Brent, are you up for it? Yeah? A little bit. Which is what I want to show you here. Yes. And this marshmallow fluff, we're going to mix it up with the ground almond mixture that I presented to you earlier. Okay? So I'm going to leave it here. I'm actually going to continue a little bit to whisk it up, even though just 1 minute or so. Because I want to cool it down. You see, the reason I show it here is that you show that the temperature as it drops gets it still. You want this to happen in here. So you can't stay too warm, otherwise it's still too little. Okay? Also, we want all the humidity to come out of it. Parfait. So we leave it to cool. Alors, the flavors we'll get to. Those are not flavors, it's just
Colors.
Yes.
But I want to match.
The flavors we have berries, so raspberry, mango, passion fruit, dark chocolate, caramel, orange blossom, and coffee. Okay?
And this
I
one?
want you to think about that. Alors, now if you excuse me, I will let you mix it up and I start with this one. And then for the 3 left, is that right? We'll make another one. Okay? So you gotta decide.
When did you start with the door earlier?
Well, I think we'll probably do all at the same time.
It's hot.
Yes, sure. It's honestly, since it's a big group and there's a delay here, what time do you have to leave?
I'm with the
And sugar powder?
Sorry?
Doesn't she?
Didn't
she?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
It's a 35-minute natural.
Yeah, no, stop.
Perfect.
That's good. Orange. Where's
And the other one I can't see.
I think that's purple.
That's blue.
You're making a Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
Very, very bright. Violet. And the next question is this food color gel colored your mouth? Orange? No?
Sort of. It's like two separate to like actually swap.
Okay, okay.
Half and half. Cooked egg white, half raw egg white. Those are the proportions here, okay?
If you want another video.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a pretty color.
When it mixes.
It looks like purple.
Mixing. It looks like, yeah, and red and purple.
Ah.
Look, you have like all 5 different colors.
Purple.
Mixing.
I think this is the most efficient one. Mom, I think this is the most efficient one.
It's like marshmallow mush.
That's exactly what it is, right?
Yeah, that's
Really?
To make real marshmallow. What happened here?
Toast.
I don't know.
to make parfait. This one's good as well.
Merci beaucoup.
Do you mind? Hop.
Oh, that's a pretty blue.
Thank you.
Green has now turned green and white.
Okay.
Não tocar, Diego. Não tocar. I just want regular recording. Can you get on this side, Brett, so I know?
I'm going to do it at the bottom of the bowl. Like a
Okay.
little bit.
I think it's going good.
Hop.
Yeah.
Gather everything.
No, I like the mint color.
Nah, I'm fine.
I bet a mint macaron would be good too.
It's a he. She doesn't like haircuts.
That looks really good. Yeah,
It's not a big deal for you, so.
Freaks? Yeah.
What?
You can't tell if it is.
We thought it's a natural consequence of not getting a haircut.
Well, that I don't care because in America everybody's talking now.
This little thing here. Scoop out air bubbles, if any, and then push it forward. Don't push it too hard. Don't make it come out. Okay, just stronger than this.
Because then you become in trouble.
It becomes what?
Then you become in trouble.
Well, then you waste macaron maybe more than becoming in trouble. Et voilà. Okay. So you already for the piping.
Merci.
This one, and then we'll slide it under to cover it up. All right. So I'm right-handed. So if you're left-handed, switch. Yes. My right hand has. Don't do anything for now, please. I just want to show you, and then I'll come here. So here, I see I'm twisted around just to be comfortable. Then I do this because gravity is real, my friends. And so if you're here, it's going to just leak all over you. Yeah. Up. Then I twist it like I do like a wrapper candy. Yeah. Here. See, it's come out, but I have the little safety to pull it up. Then elbow on the table. That's stable. It's not rude. It's just more stable. I'm gonna flip it over. Hold this there. I'm gonna not move and just squeeze without moving. Squeeze. Stop squeezing. One Mississippi. And then I do a C shape. Spread out all over that you have enough space so that you don't bump into one another elbows before you start. Is that okay? Right? I'm gonna do a couple more. You gotta probably hold the paper so it slides sometimes. Just put your cup there. You come here, you squeeze, stop squeezing, ciao. Squeeze, stop squeezing, ciao. Up, and you stop before the line, because it will spread to the line. So you stop before the line. Don't come and reach the line.
Okay.
Yes?
Yep.
You ready, Olga?
Yep.
Yes?
Huh? She said you can play it out. It's too hard.
Nothing to do.
Yeah, this is super good. Warte mal schon ein Foto von mir, okay, Judy?
Right? Oh, well, I bring them to the bakery with me.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
We're emulsifying the mixture here.
Or else it explodes.
Okay? Is this to push it forward. That's very important so that you have time to pipe them all before it gets way too strong. Okay, I realize I'm covered in chocolate. That's okay. Just awkward.
Should I start squishing?
Yep, absolutely.
Okie dokie.
You can start squishing. Yes.
But like closer, the one that you enter on. So that way, whatever you
That's the
enter,
consistency.
you can drive up it, and then when you enter the other side, it goes down, but then it'll go back. So the next person can go.
Yes,
Super
absolutely.
easy, like super low budget, and then you just make your rides a lot more.
Yeah, but you see, you want it kind of smooth as well. You know? But here, because we have no dairy.
But I would definitely look up some stuff on the video.
So nice to just line them up like this.
So I
Oh wow, yours came out perfect.